Good morning. I am Manideepa ma'am and I take maths in class 5. Now, under the chapter Operations Involving Large Numbers, today we are mainly going to concentrate on subtraction of large numbers. Let's first recapitulate the properties of subtraction. We all know that the greater number is called the minuend. The smaller number is called the subtrahend, and the answer that we get after subtraction is called the difference. Look into this sum. Subtraction is always done from the ones place or from the right hand side, just like addition. In addition, we can arrange the numbers randomly in any order, which means 51 plus 728 will have the same answer as 728 plus 51. But in subtraction, the smaller number is subtracted from the bigger number always. This is a very common mistake that happens with children. So please be very careful to write the bigger number on top, the smaller number below it, and then do the subtraction. Moving on to the next property, the subtraction of 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Let's see an example. We know 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. In the same way, 37,145 minus 0 will be 37,145. Moving on to the next property, subtraction of a number from itself. When a number is subtracted from the same number, the difference or the answer is 0. We all know that 1 minus 1 is 0. In the same way, 37,145 minus 37,145 will be 0. The next property is a formula that helps us in checking of subtraction. The formula is that the difference or the answer plus the subtrahend or the smaller number gives us the minuend or the bigger number. As we can see here, 4 plus 4 comes as 8. Now, the use of this formula is that we can check whether the answer is correct ourselves. Plus, there are some sums in which some gaps are given. Numbers are not given, some gaps are given in between, and we have to fill up those gaps with numbers. In those kind of sums, we will need this formula. We are going to deal with it in our next video. So remember this formula very well. We move on to subtraction without borrowing. We have already done this in class 3 and class 4. The only difference is in class 5 we have bigger numbers. So as you can see, the sum has been done here. Some very important points to remember. Number 1, the places have to be written on top. You can see this sum is in the international system. The places will come first, then the minuend or the bigger number, then the smaller number or the subtrahend, and then you calculate the answer, which is the difference. We now move on to subtraction with borrowing. Again, you have done it in class 4, but a quick recap of that. Now, you can see that the places has already been written here. This sum is in Indian system. Let's read the sum. Subtract 24,56,789 from 1,10,83,500. So I have written the places before. That is very important. Under that, the bigger number, then the smaller number, and I have calculated. Let's do the process once again. We can see in the ones place, remember we are starting on with the right hand side of the ones place. So we are finding that here is 0 ones and here is 9 ones. So 9 ones is bigger and 0 ones is smaller. We can't subtract. So we borrow a 10 from the tens place. 110. So now it becomes 10 ones. Now 10 ones is bigger than 9 ones. So the subtraction is possible now. 10 ones minus 9 ones gives us 1 ones. Moving on to the tens place. We can see here 0 tens minus 8 tens. Not possible. So we borrow 100 and it becomes 10 tens. But we have to remember that we have given 1 10 to the ones place. So we don't have 10 tens now. We have only 9 tens. So 9 tens minus 8 tens gives us 1 tens. Moving on to the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place, we can see 5 hundreds minus 7 hundreds. Again not possible. So we have to borrow 1,000 from the thousands place. So now it becomes 500 plus 1,000. That makes it 1,500s. Now 1,500s minus 700s is possible. But again we have to remember that we have given 100 to the tens place. So we don't have 1,500s now. We have only 1,400s left. So now 1,400s minus 700s gives us 700s. Moving on to the thousands place. In the thousands place, we can see 3,000s minus 6,000s. Again not possible. So we take a 10,000 from the 10,000s place. So now we are having 3,000s plus 10,000s, 13,000s. But we have to remember that we have given 1,000 to the hundreds place. So now we don't have 13,000s, we have only 12,000s. So now 12,000s minus 6,000s gives us 6,000s. Moving on to the 10,000s place, we can again see that 10,000s place, we are lucky that we have 8 10,000 minus 5 10,000. But let us not forget that we have given 1 10,000 to the thousands place. So that has to be minused. So now we are left with not 8 10,000s, we are left with only 7 10,000s. So 7 10,000s minus 5 10,000s give us 2 10,000s. And the sum proceeds from the right to the left in the same way. Let's move on to the next example. In this example, we can see a sum which is in the form of words and not figures. Remember, this from word is very important. This word denotes which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Read the sum very, very carefully so you'll automatically understand which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Subtract 82 lakhs 40,406 from 97 lakhs. So obviously 97 lakhs is more. So first what we do, we write 97 lakhs in figures. Indian system, so you can see the proper gaps have been given. This is 97,000. The next number 82 lakhs 40,406 has been written in figures, and then we write the places on top. We can't forget that, very important, writing the places, then the bigger number, the smaller number, and we have done the subtraction in the same way we did the previous sum. So now moving on to the assignment part. This assignment has also been given in your website separately, but I took it up in this video so that it becomes clearer to you. You can see the first two sums are in Indian system. So don't forget to write the places on top and then write down the bigger number, then the smaller number, and calculate the difference. In sum number C and D, you can see these are in international system. See, the gaps are 3, 3, so they are in international system. So again, write the places on top and then put the bigger number, then the smaller number, and find out the difference. In question 2, they are in words. So again, from 1 crore. So you understand 1 crore is the bigger number and 7 lakhs something something is the smaller number. So again, write the places on top. Then first change them into figures, of course, and then write the places on top, then write the numbers, and then do the subtraction. So now let us remember these points always during these difficult times of COVID-19. And let's be safe. Remember, you will get grades and marks on these assignments. So these assignments are very, very important for you. So do them very religiously and dedicatedly. So thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet again soon. Bye.